I'm going to show you in under 3 minutes how you can design a space-dyed or multicolored yarn and see what it looks like knitted without ever making the yarn and ever dyeing it. We're going to start with 5 colors that a customer could have sent you and the different lengths of each color and show you how you can render it like this as a knit, again, without ever making it. We start with the yarn, and here we've got a 3-ply 8 metric, but you can edit anything on this. The yarn count, the twists, the number of plies, the fiber blend, the color, the base color, everything is editable. Here, I'm going to show you how you start to select your colors and the lengths of the different colors, and also the different dyeing techniques. So as you'll see here, there's a slight graduation in color. In the sharp one, it is a very fixed color to color method, and blended, it is more of a color bleed depending on the dyeing techniques you use. But let's get into the knitting. And what we'll do is we'll create the swatch the same size that you would normally create our swatches. In this regard, it's 80 stitches by 80 rows. And now we can start to decide our colorways and our color pattern and the lengths of each color and see how that impacts on the actual knit, which is the important piece. So your customer may have provided you with the exact colors. You can put them in as hex values, as RGB numbers, or you can select from the color picker and you can change the length of each one. Now, you can choose over 90 different colors if you want. In this one, we're just going to choose 5. And I'm now going to show you how you can do a different repeating pattern. So the repeating pattern here at the moment is just A, B, C, D, E. That's the 5 different colors we have. But actually, to make it more interesting, I'm going to do A, B, C, and then do a repeating pattern of 11 times the D and the E, the gray and the cream, and see what that looks like. I can see that the total length of that repeat now is 6.3 meters, but I'm not too happy with that. So I'm going to change it again. I'm going to change that last piece of the 4 repeating pattern of the last 2 colors. And now I'm much happier. That looks an interesting knit. I think my customer will like that. I'm ready to show my customer how this will look. So next, I will go up and I will turn on the filaments and I will render this as an image that is shareable to my customer immediately. And they can then start to give feedback. Imagine the time saving you would do here in being able to change this design multiple times in one day. Remember, this video is under 3 minutes. So if you would like to see how this works and book a demo, please get in contact with me. I'm Adam at info@gemell.io.